Hello farms, you are welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you this Ankara, and they are like 9 in numbers and how much I got them. If you are coming here for the first time, you are welcome, and to my old subscribers, thanks for always watching my video. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So let's dive in now. So this first one I have here is my blue and watercolor Ankara fabric. It is printed by Sai Group. It is a pure cotton fabric. It's not polyester, it's pure cotton. I got it for around 4,500 naira. So this one too is almost the same as the blue one, but is also is lesser than the first one. I got this one for around 4,000 in Nigeria here. It is a cotton fabric too. You can see it's even heavy. So this is also a cotton fabric, but it's more expensive than the two other ones. It's more quality than them. It's an Holland wax. I got this for 12,000 naira in Nigeria. So yeah, I have this. It's also a cotton fabric. It's a cotton Ankara fabric. Is the same price with the blue fabric. It's pure cotton. This one is cotton mixed with polyester. One thing I love with all this cotton mixed with polyester is that they always have good pattern, fine patterns. I got this for 2,000 naira in Nigeria. Now all these one are Ankara batik fabric. They are not they are batik fabric, Kampala batik rather, not Ankara. Is Adire batik, and I got this for 2,000 naira. This too is also a Kampala batik fabric. I also got this for 2,000 naira. You can see it even have two pattern inside. This is also a Kampala batik fabric. It is also sold for 2,000 naira in Nigeria here, or 2,500 at most. It depends on your location and where you are buying from. And this seems to be the last one. This is also a Kampala batik fabric. It is gotten for 2,000 naira in Nigeria here. So thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.